guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is really fun because I'm going to be showing you guys all of the Halloween ears you can find on my Etsy shop this Halloween season. If you're headed to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, or just an ear collector, or you just really want a pair of my ears, the link will be in the description. My shop is Holly Lolly Co. on Etsy, and I pretty much just exclusively make Minnie Mouse ears. And this year I added tons of spooky designs just for you guys. So today we're gonna be talking through all of the different ones you can find on my shop for 2022. Some of them are repeats from last year. Some of them I do have all year round. But some of them, once they're gone, they're gone. So if you're obsessed with any of these, make sure you go ahead and purchase, because I would hate for you to not be able to get a pair if that fabric gets discontinued and I no longer have any more. So with that being said, let's start with the ears that are recycled from last year, because I have quite a few designs that were already on the shop last year, and I want to give you guys a little old refresher. So first of all, these are actually some of my best selling Halloween ears. These are the orange sparkly spider webs. So each ear features a spider web that is orange and white in the center. The back is just a mixture of whatever webs are there. And we've got an orange sequiny bow. Obviously, if you want a different color bow, you can leave me a request in your order notes. But yeah, these are the orange sparkly spider webs. And what's really cute is if you look super closely, the black fabric is actually sparkly as well, which is super cute. So yeah, orange sparkly ears. Maybe I'll wear these. They're kind of cut off. Can you see them now? Yay! Okay. Next up are my Sally ears, and please apologize for these. These I actually made a long time ago before I got better at making ears. These are like over a year old. So they are not the best construction, but I assure you I've gotten better. They're not so floppy anymore, but I still wanted to show you. These are the Sally patchwork dress ears. So these are the exact fabric of Miss Sally's dress, complete with a matching bow on a matching headband. Literally so super cute and fun. And these actually sell a lot. These are one of my all-time bestsellers, not just for Halloween. Again, you can switch out. Some people have asked for a black velvet bow or a black sequin bow. So yeah, super, super cute little Sally ears. Next up, I have what I'm calling my candy corn ears. They're just a fun Halloween fabric, honestly, but they're kind of this like striped and polka dotted mixture fabric, and it's super cute. And then I just paired it with an orange sequin bow. Obviously, you can switch it out for white or gray or yellow or black or whatever color you want. But again, these are just some super fun kind of Halloween coloring bow or coloring ears. Next up, I don't have a pair of these on hand right now, but I will make them if you decide you want a pair. These are the orange and black plaid flannel ears. These are super fun because they're like a traditional buffalo plaid, but in Halloween orange and black instead of red and black. So very cute. The soft flannel fabric is so much fun, and there's a matching flannel bow to complement them nicely. Another recycled pair from last year that I don't have on hand is the Black Cat or Binks Halloween ears. This is a really fun black cat all over print fabric, and what's fun is the outline of the cats actually glow in the dark, which is super cute. I paired this also with an orange bow, orange sequin bow, but please let me know if you want something different in your order description and I'll be sure and switch it out for you. Last but certainly not least, I have one more pair that's recycled from last year and I don't have on hand currently, but it is my Nightmare Before Christmas Jack and Sally ears. These feature Jack on one ear, Sally on the other, a black sequin bow, and then a character of your choice in the middle. You can choose from Jack, Sally, Zero, or just Jack Skellington's head. So super cute. I love these. These are also a really popular pair, so grab them if you love them. All right, you guys, let's move on to this year's ears. We have lots of new designs, and since we left off with Jack and Sally let's continue on with Nightmare Before Christmas. These are the black and white Nightmare Before Christmas ears. And what's so fun about these is that they actually the print already had this kind of circle, which provided a really great cutout for the ear. So we have Jack on one side, lock, shock, and barrel on the other side, paired with a black sequin bow. These are just so fun, you guys. If you want something a little bit more monochromatic but still Halloween-y, these are so perfect for that. So yay, pick them up. Continuing with printed fabrics, I also have this really cute vintagey looking, oh, there's some hot glue strings on this guy. So this cute vintagey looking print. We've got Minnie Mouse dressed as a little kitty cat. We've got Mickey dressed as a pumpkin paired with a black sequin bow. And these are honestly just adorable, you guys. Like, I love this fabric so much. I love the vintagey look. And I think those would be so fun at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. Sticking with Mickey and Friends, I've got some that are a little bit more in your face. These are orange and black and green and purple and so much fun. We've got Mickey on one side in a spider web dressed as a skeleton, and Minnie on the other side dressed as a little witch, I believe, with a black sequin bow. And these are just so freaking cute, you guys. Like, I know I'm saying this about all of these, and it's because I designed them myself. I know I picked out the fabrics myself. I'm sorry, but I really am obsessed. Like, I love all of them. Okay, let's move on to printed ears that are not Mickey and Minnie or Mickey and Friends, because we've got a couple of pairs of the Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus. So first of all, we have these gorgeous light purple ears. We've got Mary on one side and it says, "Stop, I smell children." On the other side, we've got Minnie, not Minnie, but Winnie, and she says to be young and beautiful again. And you can also request Sarah on an ear. You can choose which sister you would like on the ears, but Sarah, you can't really see her, except you can kind of see her on the edge of this pair. And I want to say it says like amok or something to that effect. I can't remember her quote, but it's a Sarah quote on hers. So paired it with a black sequin bow, but I think a dark purple bow would look stunning with these. So super fun little Hocus Pocus ears. Then I've got another pair of Hocus Pocus ears. Once again, I chose Mary and Winnie to be featured, but what I love about this is that these are a little bit more understated, and the background of this has so many details. You've got the Hocus Pocus storybook here. Over here, we've got Miss Winnie. She's holding her book. On the back, we've got Sarah. We've got like some summons in the back. We've got broomsticks. Like, this fabric is just really gorgeous and has fun little details. So once again, like I said, paired that with a black bow, black sequin bow, super glittery and fun. These are adorable. Love them. Love them. Okay. Last but certainly not least, in the printed fabrics family, we've got these glow-in-the-dark mummy ears. I don't have these on hand currently, but these are so much fun because the eyes on these actually glow in the dark, which is so fun and cool. Paired them with a black sequin bow. So these are perfect, especially if you're dressing as a mummy or you just want some more like generic spooky ears for the Halloween season. Okay, I'm sorry. I know I said that was our last pair of printed looks. It's not. There's one more. I have another spiderweb one, and this is really cute because I did something different with the bow. And hopefully you like it. If not, ask for something different in the order and I'll give it to you. So we've got these really fun black and silver holographic spiderweb ears. I chose this kind of fun, almost spiderwebby looking fabric for the bow, and then I trimmed off the edges to give it more of a rough look, which I thought was really fun. I also have a silver holographic sequin if you prefer a sequin bow, or we can do black. It's totally up to you guys, but I just think these are so freaking fun, and I love the just holographic little details of the spider web. You can see it kind of does change colors a little bit. So super cute, love these. All right, now I think we're actually done with plain printed fabrics. So we're going to move on to our plaids. The first pair I don't have on hand currently. This is the orange, cream, and black plaid ears. These are a cotton fabric and just feature a really nice Halloween coloring fabric. I can't talk, you guys. What is wrong with me? And I just think these are perfect if you're looking for a fun, bright Halloween plaid to match whatever look you're going with. Next up, this is a little bit of an interesting choice, but I still thought it was fun and kind of fit the spooky spirit. So these are a gray, white, and black plaid material. These are also just a generic cotton fabric, but I love the detail of purple and thought that was so fun if you want something almost a little bit more sophisticated for your spooky season. These are great for fall or Halloween, or honestly any time of year if you've got a little outfit that matches them. I think these are really fun and unique, and I don't know, I just really like these for whatever reason. Like, they just, like, I don't know, I just really like those for some reason. Just because, like, yes, they kind of fit the vibe of Halloween without screaming Halloween, and I think that's what I like about them. Next up, we've got another fall sort of flannelly fabric. These are the orange, navy, and white plaid ears. So as you can see, these feature, no, that's black. I'm sorry. These are the black ones. I have another pair that's the navy ones, but this is the orange, black, and white. And there's also some hints of gray in their ears. So these are super fun. Again, if you're looking for something that's a little bit more fall themed rather than straight up Halloween, but these are so cute, matching bow to go with it. And I just really love these. And like I said, these are like a true flannel material. So they're actually really nice and soft, which is fun. Yay! Next up, I don't have these on hand once again, but these are the orange and white plaid flannel ears. These are, like I said, again, a flannel fabric with a straight up orange and white plaid, which is super fun and more monochrome if you're looking for something a little bit more simple. Again, with a matching bow, perfect for a fall day at Disney. Then I also have the orange, red, and blue flannel ears right here. These are definitely more fall than Halloween. I love that they put the red and the blue. These like are, I feel like, good from like October to November, like Thanksgiving-y vibes, which I think is really fun. And I love the flannel fabric once again. Something about flannel ears is just so cozy and cute, and I'm obsessed. So once again, a matching bow and a great pair of ears for fall this year. Next up, I've got a couple of black and white plaids. So this one I picked out because it's more abstract and I thought it would be kind of fun. It just kind of gives me like grunge-ish vibes, and it is this black and white abstract plaid, which I think are super cool. And like I said, they kind of give this grungy look, which is super interesting. So yeah, black and white again with a matching bow. Switch it out if you want to. All you have to do is leave it in your order notes when you order. If you would prefer to have a more traditional black and white plaid, don't worry, I've got you covered. Right here we have the black and white plaid ears. These are not a flannel material, but they're not cotton either. They're kind of a soft, thinner feeling flannel. I can't think of the right term for that specifically, but Brendan's in the kitchen once again, so if you hear knocking around, that's him. But these are black and white and plaid and so much fun. Once again, switch out the bow if you need to, but just some great monochromatic ears. All right, you guys, last but certainly not least, these ears are so much fun and I love them so much. But the problem is, they do not, in my product photos, come across as beautiful as they are in person. And I haven't gotten one order of these, but I'm like, if only the pictures did them justice. So these are a black velvet with orange sequins throughout. So these are such a good hint of Halloween ears. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, they're so pretty. And like I said, I wish the pictures did them justice because they are seriously so stunning. I love the shimmer of the orange and the black. Like, it is just such a good, simple but spooky vibe. They're gorgeous. So those are all of the ears that are live on my shop for you to purchase this Halloween. If you guys are heading to Disney, make sure you grab a pair and I'm sure you will love them. So yeah, I had so much fun picking out Halloween fabrics this year and adding to the collection. I actually do have a couple of more fabrics that might drop in October, but honestly, orders have been pretty steady. I haven't had time to go make new ear designs. I can't talk once again. What's new? I don't even know why I do videos if I can't talk all the time. Anyways, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and hit that red subscribe button down below to come hang out with me every single day until the end of October. My shop where you can buy all of my ears will be linked in the description below for you guys. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.